Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to bill a theatre session. When a patient undergoes surgery, they spend a specific amount of time in the operating theatre. After the procedure, the start and end dates and times of the theatre session are documented. These theatre sessions are then used to generate invoices with calculations based on specific billing codes. Please note that in order to bill a theatre session must first be created. For more information on how to create a theatre session, please refer to the case screen navigating the Theatre Sessions tab user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the case management screen. First, click on a desired case to open the case management sidebar. To learn more about the case management sidebar, please refer to the case management screen sidebar, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the invoice button to open the invoice screen. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the hospital invoice screen, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Next, select a theatre session from the theatre session drop-down menu. Please note that more than one theatre session can be billed on the invoice, and the AM/PM times will change accordingly. To learn more on how to set up AM/PM billing, please refer to the Debtor Transactions user manual linked in this video's description. After selecting the relevant theatre session, complete the invoice line with the applicable procedure code. By selecting this procedure code, the quantity field will be utilized to display the amount of time spent in theatre. In order to post a transaction without switching to the medical aid, click on the Post Only button. Alternatively, click on the Post Only drop-down menu for more options. To process the invoice and switch it to the medical aid, click on the Post and Switch button. If you prefer to post the invoice and wait for the medical aid's response, click on the Post Await Response button.